Hey, Zero TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I'm just surrounded by volunteers. I'm come to think of it, it's really not the worst place to be, surrounded by TMG volunteers. But got my man Aaron's pit right here. Just made the drive up from Florida, and he's gonna take this puppy back home with him. He's got her loaded up nice. Now, as y'all know, our volunteer comes standard on the caster package, but of course he had to upgrade to the off-road package. Got the big wheels and tires on there, guys. You gotta get the big wheels and tires. It just really makes a pit. Now, we do have a lot of standard features on the volunteer. First off, the fold down stack. You don't gotta pay extra for that. That's included in the price. Open up the smoke chamber here. Now guys, what really sets the volunteer apart is just the size. This is a big backyard smoker. Of course, you got two sliding trays here. Now this smoke chamber is 52 inches wide, 27 inches deep. Of course, you got that sliding top rack up there. Now you do have a water pan tray back here on the side, so that way you don't have to set your water pan on your shelf here, take up some cooking room. 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there. That is standard on every TMG pit. Now it is all 1/4-inch plate steel on the chamber. Come around here to the firebox. Now this is actually 3/8 pipe here on the firebox, so you got an extra thick firebox there. You got D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners for you, makes it easy to tie down. Still got your paper towel utensil holder here up on the front shelf. Guys, that is Aaron's TMG volunteer. So about to haul back home with him. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.